Good evening, guys. Welcome to Talk Lab. I'm Lynn. Today, I'll give you the topic emotional matery. Yeah, I divide my talk into three parts. Firstly, I will talk you about definition of emotional matery, and the second, I will talk you about why do you learn emotional matery, and the last, I will give you some factor you can change your emotion. Let's start it. Yeah. So, do you know emotional matery? What does it mean? Emotional mastery it means you manage your emotion. For example, when you're upset, you want to cry, but you don't cry and you just keep smiling. So it means you manage your emotion. It is emotional matter. So that's all I have to say about definition of emotional mastery. Now we will move on the second part. The part talk about the reason you learn emotional matter. So why do you learn emotional matter? Because 80% of success in emotion, the 20% of success is the method. So if you have good feeling, good emotion, you can create more energy and you can learn better and better. So if you feel tired or bored, you can learn more slowly. So emotional matter very important. If you learn effectively and you want to learn better. So do you know how many factors you use to change your emotion? Yeah. No. Okay. If you know, we will move on the third part, the last part, it talk about the factor you can use to change your emotion. Let's start. There are four factors you can use to change your emotion. The first is the body, and the second is the breath, and the third is uh, the face, your face, and the last is movement. So let me talk more detail. Yeah. Firstly, I will talk you about the body. Yeah. So uh, let's do with me. If you sit with back posture, what do you feel? Yeah. The shoulder forward. The face look up. The eye look up. The chin up. So what do you feel? You feel tired. You feel bored. And now you change posture, you put shoulder back, you put chin up, you put the wire out. So, do you feel different? Yeah, you probably do. For me, I feel much better when I sit with good posture. Yeah. So that that's all I have to say about the posture. So if you get good posture, you can have more energy and you can learn faster. And if you feel tired, you get bad posture, you can learn slowly. Yeah. So next, the factor next is breath. So if you study without breath before you learn, and you take a breath deeply before you learn. You can feel the difference. So if you take a breath deeply, you can learn effectively. Yeah. So if you do different, you can get the different result. So you need to take a rep about 2 or 3 minutes before you learn a lesson. Yeah. That on I have to say about rate. And then I talk about the third factor. The third factor is your faith. So, do you know your faith can change your emotion? Yeah, so because your faith so your feeling. Mm. Mm. And the faith also create emotion. So if when you learn you smile, so you can't feel tired or depressed. You can feel better, so you can learn better. Yeah, that's all I have to say about your faith. Mhm. So you need to keep smiling on your face when you learn. And the last factor I will talk to you about movement. Yeah. So if you so the movement create energy and energy wake up your body. So if you movement, you can learn faster. For example, when you learn, you sit, don't move. You can sit down and sit down. So what happened? You the body became stiff, and the body became stiff, and you feel tired. So you need to move your body. You need to stretch body. Or you can go around and you can walk. You can run while you listen to the lesson. Mhm. Yeah, if you do that, I, I'm sure you can learn better and better. So that's all I have to say about the factor you can use to change emotion. Yeah. In conclusion, if you get strong body, take a deep breath, and on your face you keep smile, be green, and finally you move while you learn. Yeah. Also together team you can learn faster and faster. You can learn with more energy. Yeah. So that's all I have to say about emotional matery. Thank you for watching me. Yeah. Bye bye. If you have a question, can you can comment below this video. Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye. See you tonight.